Get ready to transform your cramped cooking space into an organized oasis. We all know the struggle of a tiny kitchen where every inch counts. But don't worry, IKEA is here to save the day with budget-friendly, genius solutions that you probably haven't thought of yet. From vertical storage to hidden cabinets, these 9 clever hacks are game changers for anyone living in a small apartment or home. Stop fighting your clutter and start loving your kitchen again. We've scoured the aisles for the most effective, space-saving tricks that look like $1,000,000 without breaking the bank. Let's dive into these incredible IKEA transformations right now. Number 1. The Roskog Rolling Pantry. The Roskog utility cart is a legendary IKEA staple that thrives in small kitchens. Its compact 3-tier design allows it to slide into those awkward, narrow gaps between your fridge and the wall or under a counter. Use it as a mobile coffee station, a portable pantry for baking supplies, or even a bar cart for entertaining guests. Because it is on wheels, you can move it around effortlessly while you cook, providing extra counter space exactly where you need it. It is the ultimate versatile solution for anyone who feels like they are running out of room. Number 2. Sunnerstall Wall Rail System. The Sunnerstall Rail and Container System is a minimalist's dream for reclaiming wasted backsplash space. By mounting these affordable rails along your wall, you can hang small containers, hooks, and shelves to keep your most used tools within arm's reach. This frees up precious drawer space for larger items while keeping your counters completely clear of clutter. It is especially effective in rentals where you cannot make permanent changes, as it is easy to install and remove. Add some fresh herbs in the hanging pots to bring life and functionality to your compact cooking area effortlessly. Number 3. Kungsfors Magnetic Knife Rack. Maximize your vertical real estate with the Kungsfors Magnetic Rack. While most people only use these for knives, the possibilities are endless for a small kitchen. You can attach metal spice tins, measuring spoons, or even small metal lids to keep them organized and visible. This hack prevents you from digging through messy drawers and utilizes the wall space that often goes to waste. It creates a sleek, professional chef look that is both modern and highly functional. By moving these items to the wall, you gain more freedom to prep meals on your limited countertop surfaces. Number 4. Verriera Shelf Inserts. Cabin interiors often have a lot of dead air at the top. The Verriera Shelf Insert is a simple but revolutionary tool that adds an extra level of storage within your existing cupboards. Instead of stacking plates in unstable towers, you can use these inserts to create separate sections for bowls, mugs, or side plates. This makes grabbing what you need much safer and faster. They are also great for pantry shelves, allowing you to see cans and jars at the back without moving everything in the front. It is an affordable way to double your storage capacity. Number 5. Bekväm Spice Rack Bookcase. The Bekväm Spice Rack is one of the most versatile items in the IKEA catalog. In a small kitchen, these can be mounted on the side of cabinets or even on the back of a door to store spices, oils, or small jars. If you flip them upside down, they even work as a rail for hanging dish towels with a shelf on top. Many enthusiasts paint them to match their cabinetry for a custom, built-in look. They keep small items organized and prevent them from getting lost in deep cabinets, ensuring every spice is always ready for use. Number 6. Holtarp Multi-Use Rail. The Holtarp series offers a more traditional, polished look while providing exceptional utility. These rails can be outfitted with hooks for mugs or baskets for cleaning supplies under the sink. In a tiny kitchen, hanging your bulky colanders or pots and pans on a Holtarp rail can save an entire cabinet's worth of space. It turns your kitchen tools into a decorative element, showcasing your style while remaining incredibly practical. The sturdy construction ensures it can handle heavier items, making it a reliable choice for maximizing every square inch of your wall space effectively and beautifully. Number 7. IKEA 365 Plus Dry Food Jars. Proper containerization is the secret to a functional small pantry. The IKEA 365 Plus food containers are designed to stack perfectly, making the most of every centimeter of shelf height. By transferring dry goods like pasta, flour, and cereal into these clear, uniform jars, you eliminate bulky, mismatched packaging.
This not only looks aesthetically pleasing, but also allows you to see exactly how much of each ingredient you have left. The rectangular shapes fit together without leaving gaps, unlike round jars, ensuring your narrow pantry remains perfectly organized and much easier to navigate during busy meal prep times.
Number 8. Utrusta corner pullouts. Don't let your corner cabinets become a black hole where Tupperware goes to die. The Utrusta pull-out corner hardware is an engineering marvel that brings the contents of the deep corner right to you. With a simple pull, the shelves glide out, allowing you to access heavy pots or appliances without crawling on the floor. This hack maximizes the most difficult space in a small kitchen layout. While it requires a bit more installation effort, the payoff in accessibility and storage efficiency is massive. It turns a frustrating architectural flaw into one of your most useful storage assets. Number 9. SCOTUS Pegboard Backsplash. The SCOTUS Pegboard is the ultimate customizable storage solution for a busy kitchen. By installing a pegboard as a backsplash or on an empty wall, you can arrange hooks, clips, and containers in any configuration you like. This allows you to store everything from cutting boards and scissors to spice jars and coffee mugs in one centralized, visible location. As your needs change, you can easily move the accessories around without drilling new holes. It is a flexible, industrial chic way to ensure that every tool has a home, keeping your small kitchen running smoothly and looking incredibly organized. Start organizing today. Transforming your kitchen is that easy. Like, share, and subscribe for more hacks. Thanks for watching. You've got this.